What is zero? At first glance, it's just nothing. But it might be the most powerful idea ever.
Yeah, if it's really nothing, then why is it one of the most important discoveries in history?
Because without it, forget computers, modern math, even the digital world you're in right now.
So how did this nothing somehow become the foundation for, well, everything? Let's dig in.
To really get it, let's go back in time. Imagine ancient Rome, a world with no zero.
Their numbers had no placeholder for an empty spot. This made even basic math a total nightmare.
Heck, even the Maya independently invented a zero. That shows you just how crucial this idea is.
But the real game changer? That came from 7th century India, and it changed math forever.
See, a mathematician named Brahmagupta didn't just use zero as a placeholder. He defined it.
He called it shunya, or the void, and he treated it like a real number, not just an empty space.
He was the first to lay down rules for it, like a number minus itself, that's zero.
This was, no joke, one of the biggest leaps in human history. Zero was finally real.
Okay, so here's where zero unlocks its secret magic. Just take the number 5.
Now stick a zero next to it. Boom, it's 50. The value just multiplied by 10.
This is what we call the place value system. And guess what? It's impossible without zero.
And this simple idea is the secret ingredient behind, well, our entire digital world.
Your computer thinks in binary. It's a language with just 2 symbols. 1 means on, 0 means off.
So that simple off switch, that nothing, is literally the foundation of all modern technology. But zero has a weird, dangerous side. In multiplication, it just wipes out any number it touches.
And what happens if you try to divide a number by 0? Well, everything just kind of breaks.
I mean, how many nothings can you fit into 8? See, the question itself doesn't even make sense.
But in the real world, 0 isn't really nothing. It's a reference point, a balance, a start line.
So that brings us back to our puzzle. Is zero just an empty void, or is it the foundation of everything?
Maybe it shows us that the biggest ideas can hide in what looks, at first, like absolutely nothing.
Because inside that simple, empty circle is the blueprint for the entire modern world.